2022 F350 single wheel. We're doing a 4.5-inch Stryker kit on it. Keep the old sway bar links right there. The blue face plates, we're gonna have to drill a few holes, tap them out, and bolt them in.
This bad boy got a 4.5-inch Stryker rad kit. All the nice Stryker add-ons, face plates and everything to retain the factory radius arms. Those are just a bolt-on style kit. Powder coated blue. It's a little different than the truck, just kind of give it a little bit of a set-off color. You can add the center cradle like we did on the big white shop F450. And like I said, obviously the rear traction bars as well. That stuff's not on yet, but this thing turned out sweet. Chris and Dawson knocked it out of the park.